Hey class. So, okay, I'm going to try to show everybody how to use Adobe Dimensions. So, pretty much, say if you want to use a mock-up as far as working on like a bag or can, you can always go online and get free resources as far as like, I was actually able to get this can, no, not that, delete that. This beverage can right here, which pretty much you can like scale up to size. It's kind of like Illustrator. You just kind of grab an angle, hold select to scale up and down. So it's pretty cool for that. And say if you want to go ahead and add your graphic to this. I went ahead and did a kind of a mock-up. So I'm going to double tap on here. Once I double tap on my object, then I'm going to click here in the actions. And once I click in actions, I can go and grab the image that I'm going to use for my can. So, grabbing that. And I can place that on my can. So once doing that, I'll hold select and grab and kind of scale my image to kind of wrap around the can. You kind of have to just work with it a bit, but basically what it does is it gives you the full capability of doing a lot with putting your image on the can. So that's just a little something that I thought I would kind of pass along and share of one of the cool features with Adobe Dimensions. And like I said, it's a lot similar to working with Illustrator. A lot of the key commands work with Illustrator. So say if you decide you want to make two, you're just going to hold Alt, grab, and let's see, do this Alt, grab, and drag. Control Z. Scale out of here. Grab that like so. Hold Alt, and there you have like your second can. So you can do like a lot of different things. Just controlling the axis. They just let you do different things, but yeah, don't be scared of it. And like I said, they've also have it for as far as grab this, delete this out of here. This chip bag is another one that I got from here. So like I said, just click on the object. Usually I double click once I get there. Your base color, you can kind of play around in this area if you just want to change the color of that package. But like I said, go into your actions and then you can just take your art and kind of scale it on the back with no problem, or can, or just depending on what you're trying to work with. Like I said, just to kind of constrain proportions and everything, just always hold select. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a little bit on how to use Adobe Dimensions, which is, in my opinion, a really cool product to use. So that's about it. And I hope y'all have a good time working with this program.